Already.
Yeah, on the drop.
First drop.
Ah,
Excellent.
not something big.
But it's a fish.
Small grouper.
Oh, first drop, first fish.
That, as you hit the bottom again.
Yes.
Second drop, second fish. Another grouper. There seems to be a nest.
I always like to catch fish. Oh yeah.
There's something following it. There's a shark. Shark.
Better be quick. There's the shark. There he comes
Oh, I
up.
took half of it.
Oh,
Can you take a picture of it?
small snapper.
Picture.
Mhm.
What leader?
There he comes.
Big grouper.
Grouper, bigger grouper.
Good
That's
size,
a
huh?
Oh, nice.
Nice.
That's a V8. They call it V8
Vietjof, yeah. That's very good to eat that, huh? You can keep it if you want. It's very nice.
Oh, that's a nice size.
Slow pitch works. Slow pitch works.
For groupers, yes, they love it.
Yeah.
Nice, boys. That's too close to the bottom. Oh, that's still there.
Still there, yeah.
Whoa! Hey, ça goûte on. They're feeding, huh?
No.
Just need to go past them a little bit and bring it through them.
Perfect.
Perfect. Oh, now we can take this shit now.
Must take that thing.
Come on.
Hammer. Yo! You on?
Yeah.
Cool, I got it on the camera. Bit of Phil's ass also, but
Hey, the sexy ass, bro.
well, sexy is a relative thing. Small. Close. Now it starts running.
He's not small, huh?
No, small it's
Just
not.
we got him close, that's why.
Very nice.
Hey, move towards the back of the boat so we can bring it up.
Chow rod jig. Yeah. Just bring that rod up.
Careful, help
He's
him.
gonna run, huh? You're gonna fight him for a while.
You're having fun?
Yes, thank you.
Oh, that's nice. Get it nicely on the camera. I don't know if one can see the fish.
Wow, that's a nice fish.
Yeah. Cool. Oh, yellowfin on popper came off, but we saw it, we had it close. So it's working. Keep it up. Gone down again.
Where are they feeding?
They're gone down for the moment. I think.
Yep. On.
On! Cool.
Small.
Small one, but doesn't matter. It's working.
Oh, nice.
There it is. Ooh. Got him.
Oh, I want also picture with my
We're working on it.
nice.
You're cool. Fish on. Fish on. Okay. Oh, that's better too. And that's a good fish.
Some more.
Oh yeah,
Amberjack.
amberjack. We are in the right place. Can't see much this way.
Nice one.
Nice.
Stuck on the glove. Take the glove off though.
Very nice. Yeah, not too close. Yeah.
It's been a while since I've
Good.
been in an amberjack also.
Just drop it like a bullet.
Bye.
There he swims off.
Oh, now he's got crazy.
Yeah, I know. Go. It's 117 meters though.
So
Tunas are smashing up there again.
well, we cannot be everywhere at the same time. That's the problem. Too many options. Too many fish.
See my popping rod here.
Oh, big job fish or something?
It's silver like a bonito.
Well, then it must be a doggy. Let him come back.
That's dog, yeah.
Doggy!
Careful. Quick, I feel. Okay. Yeah, nice. We're getting there. Excellent.
Picture with my phone also.
Yeah.
Will come.
Can you also with my phone?
Will do.
Look at those teeth.
What is the road? Use all
There he
the
goes. That's the way it should look. What a beauty. Both actually. Yours is not so colorful.
Double up.
Oh, double again.
You got double again? Maybe we switch roads.
That's two.
Very nice, man.
Brown marbled.
I never
and
got the double. Never, never.
brown marbled and
Perfect way to
comet
hold the jig.
grouper. Very nice. Oh yeah, amberjack, amberjack.
Nice one.
Different grouper. This time tomato grouper, if I'm not mistaken.
When I look on it, it makes me want to throw up.
Good size fossil. Oh yeah. Pretty fish. Double. Yeah, cool. That looks better.
It's a
Saily, Saily. That's what he is. Sailfish.
If I hook a sailfish, that would be great.
Try to fill the picture.
There's a few of them.
I saw that.
I think
there's a few, yeah, Greg. I think there's one.
Wait.
There they are.
Fuck, you could jump on this sailfish.
It's one.
Bigger.
It's a big
Okay,
sail,
then.
that.
No.
Should I switch to
Stick bait?
stick bait?
Try something different because it's. But when they move like this, I found them that they're not.
There's something in the water.
There's something. He's playing with something.
Maybe it's that doggy that we tried to release.
Hey, look at this guy. Oh, my bail's closed. Look at him. I haven't seen a sail up like that. He must be mating, Greg.
Yeah, right there, right there, right
Oh!
there. That looked like a marlin.
That was not a sailfish, man.
Not a
That was a
sailfish.
marlin.
Cast
That was
again,
a
cast
marlin.
again, cast again.
Just again, marlin.
You think so?
Yeah,
That was a marlin. That was not a sailfish.
Crazy.
Like that, Lila.
Oh!
There we go. You got him.
On. Cool.
First tuna on Papa. First sailfish from Papa. Whoa! How do you like them apples?
That was a nice laugh track, Daniel.
Yeah. And I got it on.
Hey.
Looking good. Now he starts running.
Now he's a bit angry. Hey.
Yes, sir. Oh, very nice. So,
But it's the best day of my life.
that's cool.
Oh,
Wow.
it's big. It's a big sail, that. Touch it, yeah.
Nice.
Wow. Daniel, just watch out there.
Yeah.
Got the bill? Oh, it's still there.
There's the other one.
Oh,
Look at that.
oh, that fish is losing its shit.
Crazy. That's not even hooked. That's tiny, that one.
Stripey that.
Look at him. He's going mad.
Daniel also picture with my phone also. Thank you.
Mind the hooks, huh?
Yeah. Watch the bull on your neck there.
Yeah. Cool. Sailfish on popper.
Take a look at me. Okay.
Cool.
That's an awesome day. You need to release him now. Greg, let's see Danny. Wanna hold it?
Some days things just work. Next tuna on popper.
That's my third tuna.
They're really cooperative today.
Vinny.
There's one with you.
Vinny.
They're on. Cool. You on?
Not a tuna.
Keep popping.
No, he's on.
Okay.
Not a tuna.
I thought you said it came off.
No.
It's a bonita.
Seems to be a bonito, yeah?
I saw it.
So that's
Double
two
up.
tuna
That's a great day.
double up on poppers. This one seems to keep him busy for a while. He's also moaning already. Okay.
They just see each other.
Obviously.
Your bonito is giving you trouble, huh?
My bonita's getting bigger.
Going under the boat.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa, cool.
Philip, yours is a big tuna also.
Whoa, 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 hold him.
Okay, I've got you. Harder than the sailfish, this one.
Yeah.
Philip, are you still there?
Yeah. I need the rest after this fish.
Oh, that's a nice size, yeah. Yeah, yeah, that's, oh yeah, that's better. A lot better. Oh. Yes,
Oh,
man.
That was tough.
That's what I call a tuna.
Daniel, can you grab the mayo?
Right? And the other. Mine. Take your feet away. Give him the mayos. Oh no, it's a chemical. Tunas on popper.
Not so bad, eh?
It's awesome!